What about the social dimension of students in Europe? Let's have a closer look at the research results regarding their income structure.
In Eurostudent 5, we also took a look at the income structure of students. The private sector plays a major role in student funding. As far as direct public support is concerned, that means grants or loans that the public sector is giving to students, this source of income provides about 10% of total student income. Many societies experience the demographical change towards an aging population, and this will also affect the structure of the student body. Of course, has certain implications for the way the student financing is working. For instance, in our data, we see that the share of students who receive public support is continuously decreasing with advancing age. That means the older the students get, the less likely they are to receive public support.